Want to protect your project and tools? Check out Ring Jobsite Security, only at the Home Depot. It's easy to install. Just plug it in and get online. Connect the lights, cameras, and motion sensors, and watch them all work together for protection across your whole site. Check in from anywhere, right on your phone.
This isn't an open house, guys.
Ring Jobsite Security works on any job.
Well, what if the site loses power?
Ring Power Packs have backup power for hours. Because it's by Ring, it works with other Ring cameras and lights to grow with your project. And with the Ring Protect Pro subscription, keep your project online with LTE backup internet.
So I can stay connected to email out here?
Sure can.
And we can stream the playoffs.
No.
But you could if you wanted to. You'll also have 24-hour monitoring and SOS response for paramedics, police,
and fire.
So wherever the job takes you, Ring Jobsite Security is by your side. The tool protecting, material monitoring, peace of mind giving, get the job done right security system for pros like you. Only at the Home Depot.